So this here is a super cool device. It is used for both catching bugs, which you can do using this little lever right here. You can, if you see a bug on the ground, for example, you can stick your thing over it here and then close these levers here with this thumb tool. And then that'll capture the bug inside this little domed area. That way you can observe them. It's got magnifying glasses on both sides there, so you can observe it that way, which in itself is pretty stinking cool. But then also on this other side, you'll find this camera magnifying glass. So it powers on using this button right here. You can hold it to power it back off, but powers on. There is zoom in and out, so you can zoom in and out on whatever you're looking at. There is a picture, so you can take a picture of it. There's also some settings that'll show you the pictures actually that you take once you do that. So I want to show you a couple things. It actually comes with some example things that you can look at. Here is a slide of a butterfly wing. So we're going to use this device here and put it over that. We can zoom in. And after it zooms in all the way, it cycles back out. So that is the butterfly wing right there. I'll show you another one. This next one is a honey bee wing. So we'll look at that one. Here's the honey bee wing. It gives pretty good detail. As you can tell, there's one more that it came with, and that's the dragonfly wing. Dragonfly wing. So let's look at that one as well. Take a little bit to find the right spot. So here's the dragonfly wing. So that gives you an idea of how that works when you use the magnifier like that. They come apart. It actually is two pieces. So they come apart by, if you kind of hold it right here, you can slide them apart. So if you want to, you can capture a bug in here like this, and then use this magnifier to get a better look at it. So I did find a dead moth in our house the other day. So I don't have any live bugs to test this on, but if we were to capture a moth in here, we can do that like this. Then we'd have it captured inside, and then we could observe it using the magnifying glasses there. Takes a little bit to get it just lined up right. But there it is inside. Or we could then take this magnifier and try to get a view of it in there, like this. Might take a little bit of, depending on where it is inside there. Yeah, this is a cool device that allows you to capture bugs and then look at them, and then if you want to, make a slide of them and be able to observe it much more clearly on a slide using this magnifier as well. So pretty cool. I would say if you're into learning about science, learning about how nature works and insects work and how they look and stuff like that, you might want to give this a try. It's pretty cool. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make